If you're an e-commerce seller, an Amazon seller, an online entrepreneur, or a subscriber of this channel, chances are you already know what Payoneer is. We've done a lot of videos about Payoneer, and I am personally the brand ambassador for Payoneer in the GCC region. I always see a lot of your comments on the videos that we do with Payoneer on the channel right here, or even in the private Facebook group for Payoneer users for the MENA region. If you want to join that Facebook group, I will leave the link in the description box of this video. So to sum up all of these questions, all of your frequently asked questions, we decided to put this video together with Namita, the customer success manager for Payoneer, in order to answer all of your frequently asked questions. Let's go. If this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We are completely obsessed with selling online and on Amazon, primarily in the Middle East. And as I said in the intro of the video, I am also the brand ambassador for Payoneer in the GCC region. In this video, I'm going to go through a few of your frequently asked questions so that you kind of understand how Payoneer can support you as a cross-border e-commerce seller or even an online entrepreneur that wants to receive and send money in multiple currencies across multiple countries, really without any borders and without any problems and issues when it comes to receiving money in other currencies. So let's get going with your frequently asked questions. So Namita, for anyone who wants to open a Payoneer account, a lot of people are very familiar with Payoneer by now, but I still see a lot of people asking, what do I need a Payoneer account for? So if you are an e-commerce seller, or if you are an entrepreneur, a business person, why would you need a Payoneer account?
So Crystal, if you're an entrepreneur, even a freelancer or an independent person who is working and getting paid globally, Payoneer will provide you local currencies to get your payment in. So, and even if you're a marketplace seller selling on Amazon and eBay, we will provide you n number of currencies where you can collect your payments in that geography, in that currency itself. All of this money will come into Payoneer, and then you can choose how to spend that money. Either you want to pay to your supplier in that currency, or you want to just pay your taxes, or you can just withdraw it to your bank account and make your personal transactions.
Okay, so it makes things seamless and easy for anyone that wants to sell in different countries, different marketplaces, all of that, rather than a traditional bank account.
Yeah, so if you are, for example, you're getting paid from three suppliers, from three clients in Europe, US, and for example, France, you will need three bank accounts to get this payment from. And we know that traditionally opening bank accounts in these countries, and you need to be physically present there and have the documents to open it. But with Payoneer, you complete a documentation and we will provide you these local currencies account free of cost.
Before we get going with question number 2, if you're not aware what really Payoneer is and how you can subscribe, and open an account, I would suggest that you watch this video right here to learn a little bit more. I will leave the link in the description box of this video. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel if you're interested in e-commerce content, Amazon content, especially primarily in the Middle East. Also, make sure that you thumbs up this video and leave us any questions in the comments section below so we can address them in a future video, because this video was super exciting to make. So with Payoneer and with opening a Payoneer account, you also have the option of getting an actual, either a physical card, a bank card, or even a virtual bank card if you wanted to use it through things like Apple Pay. Give us a little bit information about the card and when somebody is eligible to, who and when are they eligible to apply for one, and how they can use it.
Crystal, in Payoneer, we have partnered with MasterCard to issue both our virtual and our physical cards. We provide cards in three currencies at this moment. One is USD, GBP, and Euro. So anybody who has $100 in their account will be able to order a USD card from themselves. The only eligibility criteria is that they have to receive $100 in that currency. So, for example, if you receive 100 euros in that currency, you will be eligible to order your Euro card. Uh, for ordering this card for physical, we will need a shipping proof because your card is getting delivered through our channels. And for virtual card, if only your documents are approved, you will be able to order it directly from our Payoneer account. Virtual cards will be visible in your Payoneer account within 15 minutes. The shipping time for the physical card takes around 7 to 10 business days.
Can you
This
have
might prolong also because of the pandemic.
Yes, of course, of course. Can you have both a physical and a virtual card for the same currency?
No, so this is a system limitation that we are trying to work around in, but you can have a physical and a virtual card in different currencies. For example, you can have a physical USD card and a virtual Euro card, or vice versa.
What are the fees?
One more thing to know.
Yeah.
Sorry. One more thing is that if you have a virtual card, you can have multiple virtual cards in any currency. And all of these cards will have different card numbers.
Okay, perfect. What are the fees associated with using Payoneer, basically transferring money maybe from one Payoneer account to another, maybe from one currency to another, or even transferring from your Payoneer and paying your supplier, for example, in China? So what are the fees associated with that? And also, what are the fees, since we're talking about cards, what are the fees associated with having a card, both physical and virtual?
The very first thing, let's talk about free things because people like to know about the free stuff. So opening a Payoneer account is free. Making Payoneer to Payoneer transactions is free. So if your supplier in China has a Payoneer account, you can do free of cost transaction to him. Next, you can have n number of virtual accounts in any currency free of cost. If your supplier in China doesn't have a Payoneer account and you have to make a bank transfer to his bank directly in China, I'm talking about the standard rates. So it will be 2% of the amount that you're transferring. And if you have USD and you want to exchange that currency into Euro or any other currency, we also have a product called Managed Currency. Using that, you can interchange currencies at a rate of 0.5%.
Perfect.
For the cards, we have an annual maintenance charge that is $29.95. And this covers all your cards in one currency. So for your USD virtual cards, for example, if you have 5 cards, all of them together will cost you USD $29.95 as a yearly maintenance charge.
For anyone who wants to open a Payoneer account, the system is quite simple to follow. But also, we see a lot of people saying that their account has been suspended, something like that has happened after the account has been opened. What might be the reasons for somebody's Payoneer account being suspended? And is there something that they can do?
Crystal, this is a very good question, and this keeps coming every now and then. The first thing that people should take care of is while they are opening their Payoneer accounts, they need to provide us authentic documents and provide us the clear picture about the line of business that they're doing. I understand that there can be times that there is a violation of terms and condition, and if it is not very strong, then the team does provide them an email asking for more documentation and more invoices which they can appeal against and open their account or keep their accounts active. So my request will be that if an account holder is receiving this email from my team side asking for more data, please provide this data, please provide additional screenshots and documentation so that the team can go through all of it. And if they see that you have a legitimate business and you're not doing anything wrong which is violating our terms and conditions, they will give you a second chance and keep your accounts running. people tend to forget in this virtual environment that at the end of the day, we are a B2B company, we have our licenses, and we have to adhere to those licenses. Any terms of any violation or terms and conditions will lead to a suspension of your accounts.
Thank you so much for watching the video. If you do not have a Payoneer account, like you heard Namita saying, it's 100% free to open a Payoneer account. You'll find my special link in the video description box. Just open the description box under the video and use that link. You'll get some additional benefits if you use that particular link. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.